What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it is all about this crypto here called Jupiter, which has been pumping in value over the last 24 hours, 25% up, nearly making it just over 1 cent per coin. So what is going on with this crypto? I did make a video on this a couple of days ago, and I did warn you guys, do expect it to drop back down in value, and that is exactly what's happened. But right now it is slowly starting to gain value. So where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it too late to get into it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website, and Jupiter is a fourth top gainer in the last 24 hours. And in the last hour itself, it managed to gain nearly 8% in value, which is absolutely insane. Again, 8% may not seem like a lot, but guys, when it's just within an hour, it is a huge amount of value increase. Moving on to the daily chart, 27%, we can see it pumped all the way up to 0.0125, and then took a little dip here, and right now pumping back up in value. Over the week, however, it is down 34% after the huge peak that's taken place over the last, let's say, week and a half. As you can see here, for about 5-6 days straight, it was consistently gaining value, and it did hit over the 2 cents target about a week ago, and right now has taken a major drop, but it is up a huge 300% overall for the whole month. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 145% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.5 million in trading volume. Again, I'm expecting this number here and this percentage here to go up over the next couple of hours, as it's just gained value, so more and more people will get to know about it once it starts to pump up even more and gain value, so on and so on. I'll refresh the page again later on in the video, and we'll see if it increases in value. Anyways, let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we do have the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator valuing Jupiter at 0.008, just below the 1 cent target. However, it is performing quite well and much better than expected over the 1 cent target, to be exact, 0.01086. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, as usual, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line slightly slanting towards the positive direction. They're not looking too steep, because yes, it's peaked up in value, but there has also been drops in between. So overall, I am expecting it to slightly increase in value, but again, drops are always part of the process. I am also expecting it to dip below the 1 cent below the 1 cent mark around the next couple of hours as well. So it's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but hopefully we should be able to see it going to about 0.013 to 0.014 over the next couple of hours, and towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should be able to hit at least about 0.015 in target. But again, do expect dips in between. So it is, again, I'm not going to say if it's, go invest into it right now. Personally, I believe it's still a risky investment right now because of the pumps that's taking place. It's likely to drop down over the coming days. So let's move on to the hourly chart. Even though we still got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, that is not the case. The only reason why we're seeing positive direction and looking quite steep in this case, steeper than the previous one, is because of the major increase that's taken place here. The graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep going up in value, is going to keep pumping, so on and so on. So guys, that is not the case. Yes, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but over the next couple of days, I'm expecting it to overall drop down in value, potentially going down below the 1 cent target, fluctuating around the price target. It was fluctuating around 2 to 3 days ago. So yeah, towards the end of next week, we should be back down below the 1 cent target, is what my predictions are so far. Moving on to the daily chart, the Bitcoin long term, what can we see here? Now we are not looking too great. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line, they are slightly slanting towards a negative direction, just about going in a bearish direction, meaning an overall minimal decrease in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So mid-August to late August, we should expect an overall decrease in value on Jupiter. Again, nothing major. It's not like it's going to have a major drop or a huge dump in value or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. We are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side. However, yes guys, we do have a good 7-8 weeks left for the end of August, and anything can happen in between that time. We can see Bitcoin going to 30-40k, or we can see Bitcoin dropping below the 15k target. And again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, on if there are any crashes, so on and so on. And mainly Bitcoin, to be honest, because Bitcoin is what controls the market in a positive and negative direction, and most cryptocurrencies do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So what I have put together for you guys is a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, updating you guys on what to expect, where is it heading to, what price target can potentially hit, and looking at, is the market looking bullish or bearish, and also giving guys, showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. If you guys want to take part, the link to my Telegram is in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect. As you can see, this is an old screenshot from about a month ago when Bitcoin was trading at 29k obviously, and I give you guys predictions and analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, if you're ready to sign up, then yes guys, the link is again in the description box down below. Anyways, back to Jupiter. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone, and we have tried to break out into the green zone a couple of times. Once was back here all the way back in September last year, tried again here in November last year, and tried again this year back in February, but every time it did try to hit that target, it resisted and dropped back down in value. So essentially we have been trading in the red zone since about just over a year ago. So last July or June even is when we dropped into the red zone. We've been quite volatile up and down, but overall we have failed to go into the green zone, and we have dropped all the way down here. However, even the next time it does try and hit around the 0.03 cents target, so just about 3 cents, it will very likely is going to resist and drop back down in value. So it's going to be quite hard for us to hit the green zone anytime soon. So most of the year, it's likely we are going to be trading in the red zone and potentially heading to the green zone later next year. But so far, red zone it is. Let me know what your expectations or what your predictions are on Jupiter, guys. I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. So a massive shout out to all of you guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.